We turn now to the economic impact of this pandemic. Airlines hit hard since the beginning as stay-at-home orders and virus concerns kept so many of us on the ground. In March, more than 2 million travelers were flying every day, but that number dropped big time to 171,000 back in May. Well, travel has since bounced back with an average of more than 500,000 people flying daily in August, September, and October. But still, it is not enough for the airlines. Those losses have led to significant layoffs across the industry. News Nation correspondent Nancy Liu live for us at LAX tonight. These airlines say they need a big boost, but people still rightfully a little scared to get back in the skies. Nancy.
Well, Rob, before the pandemic, America's air carriers were transporting a record 2.5 million people every day. Now, those carriers are operating with massive financial losses every day. And the upcoming holiday season is offering only a little bit of hope.
Long story short, the situation in the industry is still dire. We're burning about $180 million in cash every day. That's down significantly.
Today, the trade group Airlines for America provided a bleak picture of the industry, and the thin crowd at Los Angeles International this afternoon reflected it. While air travel has bounced back a bit, it is still down by over 60%.
We had hoped back in March that by now we would have rebounded. That clearly is not the case. Last year at this time, we were expecting to fly about 31.6 million passengers over Thanksgiving holiday. We expect far less this year.
Based on bookings, a bump is expected over the Thanksgiving period. However, the level will still be down by 40%. Kumar Vijay traveled today to avoid even slightly bigger crowds around Thanksgiving.
We had some plans, but then no, I'll not be doing that.
Purposely?
Purposely, yeah.
Okay.
Because it will be very busy, that's the presumption.
The dive in demand has already led to thousands of industry layoffs, prompting an urgent plea for Washington to extend the payroll support program to prevent further cuts. To lure more customers back, the industry continues to highlight extensive cleaning protocols and improved air filtration systems, pointing to a recent Harvard review which concluded that air travel is safe.
I feel pretty safe myself when I'm flying. I mean, I wear my mask. Most of my flights have been pretty empty, and I also keep my social distancing. So I feel pretty safe.
However, the industry suspects potential passengers may be put off by different quarantine rules and testing requirements all over the country.
The current patchwork not only creates confusion among passengers, but I think reduces public confidence, especially as we try to ensure that all of the measures that we're undertaking are standardized across the system.
And year to date, the nation's 9 leading carriers have lost about $36 billion, and the industry is expected to keep operating at a loss until at least the second half of next year. Live at LAX, Nancy Liu, News Nation.